Klaviyo Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Klaviyo are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing Klaviyo, a powerful marketing automation platform built for e-commerce brands looking to maximize customer engagement, retention, and revenue. It's specifically designed for businesses using Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, and other online retail platforms, offering deep data-driven insights and advanced automation capabilities. Klaviyo is best known for its email and SMS marketing automation, allowing businesses to create personalized, behavior-triggered campaigns that drive conversions. With its pre-built automation flows, such as abandoned cart recovery, welcome series, and post-purchase follow-ups, businesses can engage customers at every stage of their journey without manual intervention. The platform also offers advanced segmentation, enabling brands to target specific customer groups based on their browsing behavior, purchase history, engagement levels, and predictive analytics. One of Klaviyo's standout features is its deep integration with e-commerce platforms, which allows real-time syncing of customer data, purchase behavior, and website interactions. This ensures that marketing campaigns are data-driven and optimized for maximum impact. The drag-and-drop email builder makes designing high-converting emails easy, and A/B testing tools help refine messaging for better engagement. Klaviyo also provides SMS marketing automation, allowing businesses to send time-sensitive promotions, order updates, and personalized messages to customers directly on their mobile devices. With multi-channel attribution tracking, businesses can see exactly how email, SMS, and other marketing channels contribute to revenue growth. The platform includes powerful analytics and reporting, giving businesses deep insights into customer lifetime value, churn rates, revenue attribution, and campaign performance. AI-driven predictive analytics help brands anticipate customer behavior, such as expected future purchases and optimal send times for campaigns. Security and compliance are built in, with GDPR and CCPA-ready features, ensuring customer data is protected. Pricing is based on the number of contacts, making it scalable for startups and large enterprises alike. If you're running an e-commerce business and need a robust marketing automation tool to personalize customer interactions, increase conversions, and drive revenue, Klaviyo is a top-tier solution. Check the links in the description to learn more.